Let's consider now spherical lenses. What is the use of spherical lenses? What is the formula for that? You can say that the manufacturing of the spherical lenses. So the lens formula and the lens maker equation, these are the two important things along with the different types of lenses we are going to see over here. So mostly there are two kinds of lenses. The broadly if you classify, that is nothing but one is the convex, yeah, so that is nothing but a kind of converging lens, yeah, and at the same time that is the concave. So concave is called as a diverging lens. So there are different types of lenses which we have shown over here. So obviously which are made from that your material, most of the time it is a glass, yeah, obviously, yeah. So now in that the two surfaces which are joined to each other, and out of which one of the surface should be a curve one. So that is how we can define that it is a lens. So that is a double convex. Then this is a plano convex, in which one is a plane, another is a convex. So this converging meniscus, double concave. So this plano concave, diverging meniscus. So all these are nothing but the types of lenses. Then again the same thing. So what I told you that convex, or that is a converging. So it is thicker at the center than at the edges. Yeah, so definitely this is how we can say that. Yeah, it is thicker at the center. So you can say that it is thicker at center than at the edges, and it is has a real focus. At the same time, convex lenses, the types that we have shown over here. So that biconvex or double convex, this one, then plano convex, and this concave convex. So these are nothing but the types of that convex lenses. Then concave, obviously it is nothing but the diverging lens. Yeah, it is thinner at the center, and obviously you can see over here it has a virtual focus. Biconcave, plano concave, convex concave, these are the again types for that. So again we have to see the few definitions related to this spherical lenses. Likewise we have defined for in case of mirror also, what is that center of curvature, what is the radius of curvature. So all that we have to consider. Yeah, so definitely if you remember that, so the center of curvature and the radius of curvature. Yeah, so there is optical center which has been defined for this, which is exactly at the center. Yeah, again the radius of curvature, likewise it is made up from two glass pair. Yeah, so likewise it is made up from two glass pair which has been cut. Yeah, so this is the radius of curvature, obviously. Fine, so that is the center for defined, and from which this lens has been formed. Okay, again the principal axis. So this center of curvature and this optical center, all of them are joined, which will give you the principal axis over here. So this is again how you will define the principal focus. Yeah, so that is the fact about this principal focus. So each lens having the two focus, one is the primary and another is a secondary. So we can say that this is the principal focus. Let's say if I keep the object over here, the rays which will come out, they all of them are parallel. Yeah, either this is, or again the second one, you can show that if the rays are approaching, yeah, in this way, definitely they are just going to converge at this principal focus. Yeah, so these are the two focus that we define for the convex. Similarly you can define for your concave lens also. Yeah, so the same thing that we have given over here. So this is a secondary principal focus. Yeah, in case of this your concave lens also, that is how we can show it. So for concave lens, obviously it is just appeared. Yeah, so if I just consider that, so this is your concave lens, so you can say that the rays are getting diverged. So yeah, so when it came out, so you will feel that, so definitely the rays are getting diverged, and you feel that, so it is just coming. Yeah, it is originated from this point, and that is nothing but the principal focus over here. So obviously inside that, so it is just assume that they are originating from this point, so that we are going to call it as a principal focus for this particular case.